But one thing why I'm respecting say he's a very good listener. Just last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and I'm here voice audio this sense me panichao. Me who all his policies and then the plans. But there is this one man I want him to chip into his campaign message. Say, yeah, we are in the age of technology. You are Apostle Kojosafo, Ntimisreno, on Apostle. The next interview, na me tell say what they are to just say or planning, what Jane bless Apostle Kojosafo. Na wait here, dear, we hear no ba, or beboa Apostle Kojosafo. Chada say, if we are saying young saying name go on quantity, obi the idea be ba, na ye good. Now was say or drop certain ideas he have, or the better chain, no wafa odiano. Alaji Grusa Bessie, go na yafife. You want to fine football. You hear say born than net.
Or you only voice, Obeji.
I don't have plans. I'm not here to. I don't even like ruling people. It's a complicated task.
No, when he makes the offer, said the way our
the time has not come.
Send the campaigning the platform money per ATS.
Yeah, there are people who are
voice.
There are people who
are born.
There are people.
Doctorates near the voice. Beat is a common sense. It me the voice.
Yeah. It's an amazing opportunity. Only a madman will refuse. But the American said there are people who were born good speakers. We are not good leaders. Your marriage counselors are. They are not. You are divorcing. But to be truthful, when the opportunity comes and maybe I'm of age, kakrana, I'm a bit careless. I'm not good in handling a coup. I know my weakness and I know my strength. I can be good in the field of communication. Woman leadership qualities here. One shot, a lot of mistakes, but maybe I'm growing. Maybe a time in the bedroom, I am mature. I will accept it.
The age ben officer over mature. So we are speaking like a mature person. Common sense, you do what tell my blast. But whether we like it or not, no.
Yeah. I'm 43 years, but I sometimes behave a bit childish. So the soul in me is like 22 years. So I'm now growing gradually. Abba, any gisem kesiye Abba, Jupe Abba. Momoden na download Jupe app no. A money transfer app it transfer MCK. They said ye ho da munim no. Na benefit ya no very very amazing. They kind. I don't know the best market rate. And the rate no down. Or first transaction I will be app and so no. $5 discount on your first transaction with an agent code. Agent code no ABM. Agent code no. We use ABM on your first transaction or charge $5 for free. Afi zero transfer charges on Jews Kebia will transfer now will transfer no. So we use promo code na ABM na. Afi beneficiary no able to me receive scan through the wallet and I say bank account between the two ne momo account name and as a bank account any gsm kese I would you pay on pacho abrochire for US for munti me pacho Canada for ne UK for ne Italy for montwe mo de e ba why any gsm ne de me pacho won say so wo abrochire na wo sani obi ska wo Ghana ha ni din no pop up e ye wo na obebo din na hye ho Jupe de why and said ye wo Ghana na wo sani ska ma obi wo Ghana. Oh, ba na nipa ni din aba said the be ya wonye wrong transaction no enti se me me number na wo send AVRAHAM sika wo bo 0244856241 e wo app na so pe na me din AVRAHAM Ali Ibrahim na no pop up said the obehu se sika no me ame ho e na eba enti se obe send sika na call wrong place there wo boa Jupe is the best on the market use promo